Okay, so we're going to go to Ask Scruff, and it's a little question for Casper. So to you. This is a real easy question to answer. Hi Scruff, hope you had a good break. We did. Did you have a good break?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Oh, excellent. So the winker says it was lovely. So that's all right. And what's my opinion on the following question? Well, the question is, do you view trading in a similar way to an athlete where they need to stay on top of their game all of the time? And what do you do to not get lazy with the charts and keep your skills sharp? Right. It's a good sort of way of looking at it as an athlete. I look at it a different way. I look at it as a job. Now, as with most jobs, when you first start, you are useless. You've got to go through your apprenticeship, and the employer will invest a lot of money and time into your education. Now, with trading, it's the same, except your employer is the charts and yourself. So you've got to invest in yourself, do the training, and then do rinse and repeat as you get better. Now, in any professional career, your tasks are literally rinse and repeat. You get used to doing it, and it almost becomes second nature to you. But you also gain experience by doing it and seeing something 1,000 times that somebody else hasn't seen. So the way you keep yourself sharp is you remember it's a job and not living in la-la land. The problem with this industry is a lot of people do live in la-la land. They believe the hype. They think there's a magic system. They're looking for the magic indicator, and a lot of them are just lazy. Now, if you're lazy and you're looking for somebody else to do the job for you in industry, you get sacked. If you're an athlete, somebody certainly can't do the job for you. You've got to do it. But what you don't see is the years of dedication of building up the skill set, and what is seen is only a couple of minutes, not the years of preparation. The same as anybody in a professional job who's really good at it. It can be a dentist, airline pilot, a plumber, a bricklayer. Some of them make it look effortless. But what you didn't see was their apprenticeship and how long it took to get there. So as long as you remember it's a job, you'll be fine. And then with any job, if you're good at it, it becomes second nature. And if you're useless at it, you get sacked. That simple. So that's the way I look at it. It's a job. I do the same tasks over and over and over again, and that keeps me sharp. Simple as that. So I hope that helps you, kid. Catch you soon.